Okay, so good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this particular video I'm dropping today, I will be showing you the latest way hackers use to hack crypto wallet accounts using this fake Opensea website. Alright, so as we all know, Opensea is the biggest market where you can buy and sell your NFT. Alright, so hackers have been able to create fake Opensea websites that they use to steal unsuspecting users' 12 phrase, alright, thereby gaining access into their wallet and stealing their funds. Okay, so the purpose of this video that I'm dropping today is to enlighten you and show you the ways which they use to create these particular Opensea websites so that you'll be able to secure yourself and then don't fall victim. Alright, so as the saying goes, if you know what the hackers know, there is no way you'll be hacked. Alright, so I'm trying to reveal their secret to you so that you know what the hackers know and then you won't fall victim. Alright, okay, so in this particular video I will show you the various ways which the website works, and then I'll also be showing you how they create this type of website. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the fake Opensea website. So this is the fake Opensea website, and then this other one here is the real Opensea website. So as you can see, they look very much alike. Okay, just little difference. You can't even tell the difference except you are the kind of person that is really familiar with Opensea website. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this particular fake Opensea website work, how hackers use it to steal users' 12 phrase recovery phrase, thereby gaining access into their wallet. Alright, so I'll be showing you how this particular website work. Okay, so but if you are familiar with Opensea, then you should know how Opensea website works. Okay, before you're able to buy or sell NFT, you need to connect your wallet. Okay, so that method of connecting your wallet to Opensea, that's the method the hackers are now using to steal unsuspecting user information, thereby gaining access into their wallet. Okay, so as you can see right now, this is the fake Opensea website. So I'm going to click on create right here. So once the user click on create on the fake Opensea website, okay, so you see a pop-up over here which said connect a wallet to continue on Opensea. Alright, so once the user click his or her wallet, let's say I'm using Trust Wallet, so I'll have to click on Trust Wallet. You see right here it says connecting to wallet. Say Trust Wallet free to connect to your wallet. Please continue to recover your wallet. Okay, so the client will now have to click on this particular section here. The user will click on this section here to say, let's say continue. Okay, so as you can see, it's a wallet recovery. It said recover your wallet with one of the methods. Okay, it said phrase, keystone, and a private key. Okay, so let's say the users has choose this particular recovery phrase. So I will say, let me just type any random sentence or this particular session. So I will show you how the hackers get the information which the users enter in this particular area of the website. Okay, so let's say hello, this is just for educational. So this is just for educational purpose. All right, so once the user enter his or her phrase here, his or her 12 phrase in this particular session, then you have to click on this particular button here that said import. All right, so the user now, he or she will think that he want to import his wallet. All right, not knowing that he's submitting his information to the hacker. All right, so I will click on this particular section that said import. Okay, you see here, you see import wallet successful. All right, so it's showing successful here now. To mind you, the hackers has already gotten this particular information which the users that enter in this recovery phrase. All right, so now what the user needs to do is to check his or her email. All right, so I will go back to the email which is added to this website now. Then I will show you the information. All right, so as you can see right now, we already have one message on the email box, because this is the email address that is added to that particular website, okay, which we submitted that information to. So I will open this message now. So as you can see, it said trust wallet phrase. Hello, this is just for educational purpose. All right, so that's how the hackers get unsuspecting users information, wallet information, thereby gaining access to their wallet, then stealing their funds. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you the step-by-step video guide on how the hackers create this type of website. All right, so I will show you the various steps which the hackers take to create this type of website. Okay, so as I said earlier, know what the hackers know so that you may not be hacked. All right, so stay tuned as the training continues. Thank you. So the first thing you need to do if you want to build such website is to get a domain name and hosting. All right, so I will be guiding you through the process of buying domain name and hosting. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to visit namecheap.com. all right, so that is the website that I'm going to show you how to buy domain name and host it from. All right, so once you get to their home page like this, their front page, so you see bring your ideas to life. All right, so you just need to search the particular domain name you want to buy. All right, you just search it here like this. Okay, let me say, for example, I want to purchase this particular domain name. Okay, so let's say I want to buy this particular domain name like this. Then after typing it in this particular search bar, I will click on search over here, so to see if the domain name is available or not. Okay, so as you can see, this particular domain name, the .com extension of it is not available. All right, so you can search for other extensions to see if they are available and if they are what you need for your project. Okay, so let me say this particular one is not available, so let me just say okay, let me just say something like this. I want to buy something like this. So as you can see right now, this particular one is available. The .com is available, and it goes for $8.98 per year. All right, so that's the amount that I'll be paying for the .com. All right, you can get cheaper one from other extensions, so you can search for other extension here. So as you can see right here, this .xyz, it goes for $1 per year. All right, so let me say, for example, I want to purchase this particular one here, this .com. So I will just click on add to cart. So it's very easy to buy domain name from Namecheap. All right, so it's very, very, very easy to buy domain name from Namecheap. After clicking on add to cart, then I will click on this particular section here that says checkout. Okay, so you will be directed to this particular section where you'll be asked to select the number of years which you want to purchase the domain name. So if it's 1 year, if it's 2 years, 3 years, so and so on and so forth. After confirming the year over here, so you can decide to turn on auto renewal, or you can turn it off. So whichever one you choose. Okay, so you scroll down and click on confirm order. Okay, so you will be asked to log in. So if you don't have account already, you have to register. So but for me, I have account already with Namecheap. I just have to put my username and then password. So I will log in. Okay, so as you can see right now, I've successfully logged into my Namecheap account. So you have to, if you have not added your credit card details already, so you'll be asked to add your credit card information so that they will debit you direct from your card, MasterCard, Valve card, whichever one you have. You can input it on this particular payment method, so you'll be debited. Then your domain name ownership will be handed over to you. Okay, as simple as that. It's very easy to purchase domain name. So, but I don't want to buy this domain name right now. I'm just like showing you the process, so the step by step, in case you want to buy. Okay, so for the hosting, then I will go over to my dashboard. So let me go back to Namecheap account. So after purchasing domain name, so you want to buy hosting now. Okay, remember, before you buy hosting, you must first of all purchase domain name. So if you don't have domain name, there's no way you will buy hosting, because your hosting account needs to be linked to your domain name. Okay, so let's say I want to buy hosting now. So shared hosting, so you can use shared hosting for this particular website. I'll click on shared hosting. Okay, so I'll select the particular plan I want to go for. So let's say the Stellar, we have the Stellar Plus, we have the Stellar Business. Okay, so this one is perfect. I will go for this particular one. So I will click on get started. All right, so I'll click on get started. So this is the amount I'll be paying for the hosting. All right, so I'll be paying this particular amount. So no, sorry, this is the amount I'll be paying for hosting, $21.88 per year. Then this is the amount for the domain name we selected. You know, we did complete the purchase, so it's still in our cart. Okay, so let's say so if you have purchased domain name already, then you choose existing domain name. Okay, so once you choose existing domain name, you have to enter the existing domain name you want your hosting to be linked to. Okay, so you have to enter it in this particular session. All right, so once you type the domain name here, then you can click on add to cart, then you complete your payment. Or if you don't have a registered domain name already, you can just click on a new domain name. Okay, so as simple as that. It's very easy to buy domain name and hosting using Namecheap. Okay, so but for the purpose of this training, I already have a domain name and hosting that I'll be using already. Okay, so this is the hosting. So this is the hosting that I'll be using for this particular training. I already set up everything. Okay, so once you purchase your hosting provider, they will send you your hosting information. Okay, which you will use to access your cPanel. Okay, so once you get to this particular area, then you will have to click on file manager. All right, so we are going to upload our file now, which is our Opensea file. All right, so I'll click on file manager. Okay, so once you click on file manager, so this session will open, this session will load up. So you have to locate public_html. Okay, so this is public_html. So, but normal, if you just purchase a new hosting, so this particular session is supposed to be empty. Okay, so I already have file in this particular public_html. That is why you are seeing these particular folders, these particular files here already. Okay, so what I want to do now is that I want to upload our Opensea file, the Opensea script. I want to upload it inside a folder. All right, so I don't want to upload it inside the public_html. I want to upload it inside a folder because I have files here already, so I don't want to overwrite the file that is already existing in this particular public_html. All right, so what I need to do now is to click on this particular section, new folder. Okay, so I will just name it open. Okay, so I will name it Opensea, just like this, and I will click on create new folder. Okay, so this is the folder right here. So this is the folder. So all I need to do right now is to open this particular folder. Okay, so this is where we are going to upload the Opensea file. So I will have to click on upload here. So I'll click on upload, and it's going to load this particular session. Then I will go over to my system, to my computer. So this is the Opensea file. So this is the file that we will be uploading on our cPanel. So I just need to drag the file. Okay, I will drag it to this particular session and then drop. Okay, So as you can see, the file is uploaded right now. So it's a very small file, which is 8.70 megabytes. So it will take time before the uploading completes. Okay, so as you can see now, the uploading is complete now. So what we need to do is to go back. Okay, so I'll click on this particular session. So it will take us back to this Opensea folder which we created earlier. So I will just highlight the zip file which we uploaded. Then I will right click. Then I will click on extract. Okay, so I'll click on extract. So after clicking, then I will click on close. So we can delete this one. We don't need it anymore. I will delete this particular zip file which we uploaded. So I will open this particular folder. I will open it. Then I will see this other folder here, this DMT. I will open it as well. Okay, so this is the file we need. This is our Opensea file. These are our fake Opensea files that we'll need. Okay, so all I need to do now is that I want to move all those files to the Opensea folder which we created. Okay, so I will click on this particular section, select all. I will select all, then right click, then click on this particular section that says move. Okay, so I will have to clear this session. I will do something like this. Okay, so I want all the files to be moved into this particular folder which we created, which is Opensea. Okay, so that's why I clear those other parts. So after clearing it like this, you click on move files. So that's it. Our files have been moved to the Opensea folder. All right, so for us to confirm it, let me go back to public_html. Then I will click on Opensea. Okay, so that's all. That you have successfully moved all the files to our Opensea folder which we created. So the next thing we need to do right now, okay, so to access this particular website which we just uploaded, it has to be the domain name.com/Opensea. Okay, so the domain name.com/Opensea, which means this particular website we are working on is in a directory under the main domain name. Okay, so let's copy the main domain name. So this is the main domain name. I will copy it. Let's say copy link address. Then I will have to open new tab. Then I will paste. Then I will type Opensea, which means we want to access the website which we are working on. Okay. Okay, so this is how we are going to access it. So I'll click on enter. Oh, sorry. I think I made a mistake while I was creating this folder. So it has to be open. Okay, so this is how we're going to access it. Okay, awesome guys. Awesome. So as you can see, this is the file we just uploaded. Everything is looking so awesome and beautiful. So the next thing that we need to do now is to configure the email notification. All right, so we are going to configure the email notification. I'm going to show you how to configure the email notification. It's very easy. Okay, so first of all, I will have to copy the email that will be added to the site. Okay, because this particular email that will be added, this is where you get the user information. Okay, so anytime a user enter his or her 12 phrase, so this particular email that will be adding is where you will get the 12 phrase. That's where you will receive it. Okay, so I will use this particular email. So let me say I want to use this. Okay. All right, so I will have to copy this this particular email. So I will copy this email like this. So I'll copy it like this. Then I will go back to our files, to where we uploaded the files. Okay, so you see this particular PHP file. This PHP, that is a config.php. Okay, so this is where we are going to do our configuration. I will right click, then click on edit. Okay, so I will click on edit here again. Okay, so this is the config file. So this is where we are going to do our email configuration, so that we're able to receive the 12 phrase and the information that the user will enter on the site. All right, as you can see here, it said username. So we are going to put the username of our website over here. Then we have the send to. This is where we are going to add the email address. Okay, so we'll add the email address here. Then this particular section, it said domain name. Okay, it said without HTTPS. All right, so we have to put the domain name without HTTPS and .com. Okay, so I will come over here. I will copy this particular website name like this. I will copy it. Then I will come back here and paste. Okay, so this particular section here that said username of email account. Okay, so we are going to create email account and add in this particular section. So to create email account, we'll go back to our cPanel dashboard. Okay, so which is this section. Then I'll click on create an email account. Okay, so I'll click on this section here. So we are going to create an email account that is going to be added in the email configuration section. Okay, so I will just put the username of our email as admin. Okay, admin. Then I will create a password. So I've created a password. Okay, so I will scroll down and click on create. Okay, oh sorry, email already exists. Okay, so let me use another username. So let me just click on info. Let me use info. I already created admin email on this particular cPanel, so that's why it's showing that error. Okay, so we'll leave our password. Then I'll click on create over here. As you can see, creating email account. Okay, so this is the email we just created. Okay, so I will have to copy the email like this. I will copy the email, then go back to our config.php file and paste. Awesome, guys, awesome. So as you can see, those are the configuration you need to do for you to receive the email notification. Okay, so you don't need to do any other thing. So after putting the username, the send to, which is the email address, then the domain name, after filling everything like this, you have to click on save changes. Okay, you click on save changes, then we'll go back to our website and refresh. Okay, so that's all. So let's test the website we just created now. Let's test it. So mind you, if anywhere the user click on this particular website, they will be prompted to select their wallet address, to link their wallet address. Okay, any button you see here. So let me say explore. Okay, you see, if you say start, you see resources, create. Anywhere the user click on this particular website, they will ask to connect their wallet. Okay, even the images, they will be asked to connect their wallet. So any button, any images that the user click on, they will be prompted to add their wallet. Okay, so because that's the main purpose of creating this particular website, for you to get their wallet information, to get their wallet phrase. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to let's test this particular site now. Let's test it. I'll click on create. Then let me choose okay, let me choose MetaMask. Okay, as you can see, connected to wallet. MetaMask will not connect to your wallet. Please continue to recover your wallet. Okay, so I'll click on continue right here. So you'll be asked to enter your phrase. Okay, so that's what the website will ask. It says continue recovery. Recover your wallet with one of the following methods. Okay, we have the phrase, we have the key store, we have the private key. Okay, so let's put random sentence here as our 12 phrase. Okay, let's say we'll put this as our phrase. Okay, then I'll click on import. Okay, so as you can see, import was successful. Continue recover. Okay, so it said import was successful. All we need to do now is to go back to our email to see if all our configuration, all the settings that we do from the config.php is working perfectly. Okay, so we'll check the email. Awesome, guys, awesome. So this as you can see, it said opens online. Okay, then we have one message. We have message from which is a MetaMask phrase. Okay, so it's going to tell you the particular wallet phrase that the user enter. Okay, so that's one of the good parts. So you don't need to stress yourself looking for which wallet the user enter. So the email will contain that information for you. So we just have to click on it now. Okay, you see MetaMask phrase. This is just a test website, not a real phrase. Okay, so that's it, guys. As you can see, everything is working perfectly and the website is very easy to build. Okay, so if you need this particular script that the hackers use to create this kind of website, you can contact me on the number shown on your screen. I will sell the file for you just for 30,000 naira. Okay, that's the amount I'm selling the script. Okay, just contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, or you can use the link in the description below. Okay, in the description of this video, you can get it there directly. Okay, you can pay online. Thank you very much for watching my video.